Today we're looking at how to use imagery to capture people's attention on Instagram. Instagram is very much a visual platform, and as you can see, this business is no different. This absolutely stunning Thai food, and what they do is they show basically like all their different dishes. They give you, it's all about that kind of food porn, that food inspiration, and their Instagram is very much a kind of window into what you could experience if you go into one of the restaurants. This one is gorgeous. So I think the actual image itself is beautiful. I think that with the really, really kind of like crisp background, the white plate, and then all the color is in the food. I think it really just kind of shows off the food as beautifully as it can. And then when you actually go into the detail, did you know that you can get our bang cafe katsu for just £12 during our lunch deal? Indulge, and then it goes into lots of detail about what you would actually get with it. Now this got them more likes than quite a lot of their other posts, and I think it is just because it's simple, it's effective, it gives you all the detail in the caption so you know exactly what you're going to get. And it is that kind of food inspiration that especially capturing people when they're hungry and ready for lunch.